How to reverse audio in WavePad. Start by opening your audio file in WavePad. Once your audio is loaded, go to the Effects tab and click the Reverse button. This effect reverses the selected audio, making it play backward in the same way a record or tape would sound when played in reverse. After applying the effect, preview your audio to check the result, then continue editing or save your file when you're satisfied. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.